Revisiting irrational numbers. If a number x cannot be written in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. For example, root 2, root 3, root 5 are irrational numbers. Let p be a prime number. If p divides a square, then p divides a, where a is a positive integer. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Solution. Let us suppose 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. It implies 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to p by q in lowest form, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. So it implies 2 root 5 is equal to p by q minus 3, or 2 root 5 is equal to p minus 3q by q, or root 5 is equal to p minus 3q by 2q, where p and q are integers. It implies p minus 3q and 2q are integers. So, p minus 3q by 2q is a rational number, or root 5 is a rational number, as root 5 is equal to p minus 3q by 2q, which contradicts that root 5 is an irrational number. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. Hence, 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number.